In this video, I'll show you how to start playing tennis, and of course, you're gonna start with the forehand, with this side, because it's the best shot you can learn, and actually it's the shot that will make the difference in your game. So when you start to play tennis, remember the priority is your legs, is the way how you move, because footwork is the most important thing in tennis. If you know how to move, you know how to play. So I always recommend, as I mentioned in my forehand online course, to start with a medicine ball first, to work on your footwork, and basically I'll show you with ball, but basically the footwork is 1, 2 double step, play and finish and then recover, 1, 2 split step, and then going to that side in close stance, 1, 2, 3, 4, stop, play and finish and then you recover, 1, 2 splits. In my online foreign course, I explain this in detail, the progressions, how you can do it alone, without coach, without partner, you can work on this. And first, you need to make sure this footwork is there even before you go to open stance. As a beginner, focus on being sideways, okay? You always need to be sideways to play tennis, and that's the reason we start with closed stance, because if you start with open stance, you're gonna open your body and you're gonna generate and lead to much more mistakes. You lose confidence and you will give up tennis because you will do many mistakes and you don't know how to restart your journey. It's really important to focus in the beginning. Again, this is boring, but it's mandatory. And even though now you have play and stay, I don't believe a lot in play and stay, because you play like that. Basically, it's good in the beginning, you have more fun like paddle because you can play the ball over the net, but long term you end up giving up the same because you don't see progress. It's really difficult to make progress from there, from just playing over the net. And if you start the right way, if you start with the right grip, semi-western grip is the grip I recommend for beginners. This one here with the racket facing the fence. I explained this in another videos you can watch and I can give you here in the description, but basically it's this, racket faces to the fence and your hand here. And here usually you have a finger here. I don't have because I prefer a smaller grip to accelerate more, but the standard is to have a finger here. Avoid continental grip, avoid eastern grip, because if you really want to play, if you really want to play good in the future, you need this grip, you need this footwork to start. And again, if you do this, you will be able to play like this. To accelerate is so much easier, okay? And you can control more balls, you can accelerate, and you can be confident, and you can do anything you want with this shot, because actually this works every time. So focus on your footwork, focus on keeping this grip, and the movement itself, the technique, just try to keep it as simple as possible. Start with 1, start here, 1, and then you do 2, the racket down, you play, and you finish. You can even have a share here, or a basket or anything you want, and you can do 1 and then 2, or if you want to be lower, for example, 1, 2, you can even stop with the racket here, then contact point and finish. I explained this in my course. I give you the exercises for this kind of needs that you will have. I give you everything, so you don't need to be worried, you don't need to be here following every single video. You just pay the course once, you can keep it forever, so it's the easiest way, and for now it's still not even in the price. It will be really soon in the future. So this is the best I can give it to you. So just keep 1, 2, play and finish. Again, your legs and the tennis starts on your footwork. You need always to be low, okay? And you don't need to focus this exactly in the beginning, but remember the forehand on this side starts and finish with the split step. And the split step is this, on your toes, not on the flat foot. And you do always this a little bit before your opponent hits the ball. So you are playing, he almost hits the ball, you do this, okay? And the split step is really important to beat the reaction. After the split step on your toes, you'll be able to run to any direction of the court. It's gonna help you to move fast, to react, and actually to play better. And remember, the forehand is a cycle. So you start 1, 2, double step, play and finish. You start with the split step and you will finish again on the split step. You only play good the next shot if you finish the first one well, and for that you need to play and finish. And one of the mistakes you will do is to play, look at the ball, and while you are looking, you're gonna lose because you cannot reach the next ball. So always play, keep looking at the ball, but while you look, you recover. At the same time, always prioritize in the beginning your technique, your footwork, and later when this is automatic, you will see how he's playing, what he does, and how can you beat him. This is after. First, you need to focus on you, and even after, you always need to focus on you. That's why Federer lost so many times with Nadal, because he was trying to play and find a strategy to beat Nadal, while Nadal was just trying to do his game. And that's the biggest advantage. You need to focus on you, need to focus on being the best version of yourself, because if you are actually good, no matter which opponent you have in the other side, you always find a way to make it better. You always find a way to win and to apply actually your game. So another thing I will tell you is if you really want to start to play tennis, if this is your first lesson, remember you're going to miss and fail a lot in the beginning. But remember also that more you fail and faster you fail, also better you will play in the future, faster you will learn, and faster you will improve. So fail fast, improve even faster. And you just can learn with mistakes. Even if you start and you play 100 balls, 200 balls over the net, but you play 50 kilometers an hour, what's the point? It's better to increase the speed, see what is your limit, and when you reach a limit that you can actually not control the ball, something is wrong. You need to be able on your forehand to accelerate as much as you can, always inside of the court, okay? Actually, I missed this one, always inside of the court. If you miss this ball, something is happening, something is wrong, or you are not generating top spin, you are not using your legs, your eyes are out of the ball, and for this, you have also another videos of me explaining this, but you have the biomech, is the biomechanic applied to tennis, where you need to have the balance, B, the E is inertia, O is opposite force, you need this power, M of momentum, E, elastic energy, okay, all is a synchronized energy on your body, and C, you have coordination. You need all of these to play tennis. It's not just technique, it's not just static. Tennis is a mix of a lot of things, so I hope this video helps, and if you want to keep watching and keep learning, I really recommend to buy my book, read 1, 2, 3, 4 times, the times as you need, and also join my online foreign course where you have all you need, the right foundation, the right technique to start a really good journey and a really good tennis career. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.